Hard work is respected. Hindi lang siya madalas rewarding the way most people think. Kung sipag lang ang pag-uusapan, kung tayo ba ay yayaman, siguro marami ng construction workers ang bilyonaryo. So hindi sipag ang variable. If you feel stuck, malamang hindi dahil sa effort mo yan. It's the version of yourself na pinoprotektahan mo. Here, we dissect identity, status signals, and the psychology behind the influence. Lalo na yung mga part na hindi tinatanaw ng karamihan. No motivational speeches, comfortable clarity lang. I'm Tito Son. Kung estudyante pa tayo, lagi tayong sinasabihan na kailangan magsipag sa pag-aaral para magkaroon ka ng work. At kailangan mo magtrabaho ng tama at maayos. Magsumikap ka araw-araw, outwork the competition. And to be fair, that sounds logical. Kasi nga naman, effort builds skills. Skills builds confidence, and confidence builds opportunity. Kaya yung belief na yon, yung advice na yon ay hindi masama. Kulang lang. Kapag nagtatrabaho ka nga naman ng maayos, you feel productive. Meron kang confidence and discipline na kukuha mo araw-araw sa trabaho mo. Hard work gives psychological satisfaction, and society praises visible effort. But praises is not the same as leverage. The market doesn't reward effort. It rewards perceived value. Isipin mo, or imaginein mo, dalawang tao parehas nagtatrabaho. Yung isa, nabigyan ng promotion. At yung isa, hindi man lang mapansin. Bakit? Positioning, perception, and status alignment. Now imagine dalawang creator. Yung creator A ay nagpo-post everyday and nagtatrabaho non-stop. And imagine creator B na nagpo-post ng less pero alam niya ang positioning and identity. One looks busy and the other one looks valuable. Tingin mo, who will grow faster? There's a psychological explanation to this. Kasi nga daw, humans do not value effort. They value signals. We respond to confidence, status cues, framing, authority, and identity alignment. Hard work without signal clarity creates exhaustion, while hard work with leverage create acceleration. So ang tunay na tanong ay hindi kung kailangan ko ba sipagan pa sa trabaho, kundi nakaposisyon ba tama ang effort ko sa aking trabaho. So instead of asking how can I work harder, ask how can I increase perceived value. Instead of grinding longer hours sa trabaho, why not upgrade your skill visibility? Upgrade your positioning or upgrade your identity alignment. Because hard work should support leverage, not replace it. May naalala tuloy akong kwento about certain BPO agent way back 2000s or 2005. Ang agent na to ay bago lang siya, newbie lang siya, pero may kakilala siyang tenured or medyo higher sa kanya na agent din na marunong mag-Spanish. Kaya inaral niya yung Spanish dahil yung agent na to na marunong mag-Spanish ay konti lang yung calls na nare-receive. Or binabato lang sa kanya yung mga calls na kailangan ng Spanish-speaking agent. So let me ask you something. What matters most to you? Effort or positioning? Curious lang ako. Hard work isn't useless. It's just incomplete. Kaya kung pagod ka na pumasok araw-araw sa trabaho, hindi naman siguro katamaran yan. You're just misaligned.